Urdhagaon Basic School Parokoa long External Evaluator Mukesh Agarwal IPS pen Gunotsav amo kapachun. Karbinglo DC pen Dhansuri English School along Gunotsav amo kapapling. Silong Pastoral Center along 2017 na ningkana parman hiniang ding Northeast Youth NGO Summit padupan bomlo. Kardom nili Karbia berda tamang thare chesong thero nambir tang aton pen arjoik tham. Karbing long along phase 2 Gunotsav Urdhagaon Basic School a hemalong Prenipai Krehini Arni External Evaluator Mukesh Agarwal IPS AGP LO dampen Gunotsav kapaman pon asai ang ding pachundam. Parokoa our Urdhagaon Basic School hemalong Gunotsav Phase 2 External Evaluator Mukesh Agarwal IPS AGP LO Assam hinpen Gunotsav kepaman pon asayang deng kepachun pon. Labang so asay along Mukesh Agarwal IPS AGP LO Assam DSP Hussein. Laban arisang ho tumpen chenglok no Charlie Bomb aklim somara tumpen pen MDM ta chulin rinti pusi birta ripdon long. Apadeng kitang ating Prenipai Krehini Arni Karbing long DC Adil Khan Dhansuri English School along dampen Gunotsav amo pachundam.
Karbing long DC Adil Khan Prenipai Krehini Arni Dhansuri English School along pali dampen Gunotsav amo ke pachunjia phan than bangla pen kachari au somara phan asona sat lang pen au somara phan ketek tia puthak lindam alang li phopen nerkep ang deng kachari au somara phan lokaporia hinta langdam. Nona dihu Gunotsav along Phumsuri isira Pharoke Thomas School lapen Bangsuri Trok Kebra Pliso se hini ang deng pener kep ang deng Charlie of Somarphan Parlopon.
Hini ang deng Exchange Northeast Youth NGO Summit 2017 ning kana parman Prenipai Krehini pen Krepo Arnian ni Plia Parman Pastoral Center Silong along padupan bomlo. Second Exchange Northeast Youth NGO Summit ke paman pona mailong kadokawi songing ko rapli NGO tum chetong don. Lason na taxi Karbing long pen Healing Heart Project NGO pen sabin rong pipi lapen mohes rong hang amparta jakwe song NGO pen Agustin Timung lapen nopin Timung atum chetong don. Labang so mailong alhiya mana peng pen Chief Secretary Gulf of Meghalaya hin pen Yesi Searing chetong don pusing birta nangli. Non malam so por pandhihin na parman birta mo yung tonpanik seneng.
Atur Kimi outlet opposite LDRB Difu Karbia Anglong Assam. 10% off in every kitchen and dining items like Hawkins, flasks, Milton, Trail, Shreya Iron, etc. 10% off in makeup and cosmetic products. And grocery items.
House of Maleen. Discount on all collection. 70% discount on items like ornaments, earrings, garments, dress, shoes, bags, baby blanket, etc. No discount on new collection. It remains as usual. House of Maleen, Main Market, near Day Engineering, Difu, Karbi Anglong, Assam. Please step in. Maleen Showroom. All kind of Karbi traditional and handloom handicrafts and ornaments are available here, along with gents, ladies and kids garments are also available here. Maleen showroom, MG Road, Main Market, opposite TOP. For more details, contact 9435433011.
और अभी एक और भूकंप 7.4 की तीव्रता का
Wait lagi. Ahiring tangrak anlo. Ong dunga tuma pran ke dam ta du uta haipo.
Nonjong itong gehang bitch kimchi phansi jitam bom lo. Nangki pray to do lo.
Nilita hemgimi kimbomlo sita lahayala ben asapta nili mathate athema nili hemalo extra kipidundo athe nili hemgi kimalonge tata discount SD bar pensi kimponlo
Tata Discount SD Extra Safe Bar lagi texture a technical atum pensi Mesena Factory along Selampon lo. Lasi Tata Discount SD Bar ke kaita extra safe lo.
Ganj Assam Hill Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akenang sa hormu ason selam pontang lo. Lasinang litum Arniwang kenang sot kecu ason la penthesri alang hithi kulat along longpon ikji. Kang sirtang kejun alang tharwe alang theso alang kecu ajam tu tharmit aduk thelua kreng chitronola ukthor pen chenglok ongdung Hemalong akenang sot hormu longpon ikji.
Dihin mo pipotot birta long wang tulo. Carbing long hover along non-malam Gunotsav second phase kipadupon bomb asonak taxi Bogojan Sub division ng kangalong ta padupon bomb lo. Preni pai krehini arni nilitup birta kaumri dun lake dilay ahavar langtibuk number 2 LP school cluster along ta Gunotsav kipadupon. Ada porpai sirkeba porpen Dr. Ranjan Bordoloy kaumri damahut school au sumar lapen thanbang atumpen archupon lo. Aphi school au sumar tumpen welcome song alun ijir lunpon lapen aphi school hemalong school prayer national anthem alun kitab kapori PT hehui padupon amparta Gunotsav evolution at satlang lapen alang lipan kethan ating pen asai doan asai chiklempon bomlo laso asai long te thanbang son terang alang lihin pen dodi sang sisi keklem kidam asai long chirap cheto dunlo lapen nodel asai pulaki coursing rong hang puta pachini pon Bogojan rong supilong prinipay kregetom arnia nerlo pormalong Cement Corporation of India CCI Cement arlong kiroy abakos chingthanglo Bogojan rong supialong kido CCI tumpen dilay anglong pipen cement arlong kiroy I abakos isi chingthanglo bakos kateroy arialong ihumabakos kehino dakmate kachingthang lokajok nihang terang arong Gandhipur along chetong roy detlo lasojok CCI chokumaratum adimlong an palidamsi kaselampon tupameja pan siding ponlo Birta bangalapan si Kangton Poniglo lai bom the Cut News Channel domit hakme korwang tu